Wabam! It's nice and safe and sound. This is the brand new. I'm gonna forget what it was. It's the brand new Mac Mini M1 chip. This is the base of the base models. I got you the base model because that's what I do here around here. Hope you can see that. The 8 gigabytes memory and 256 storage SSD. So we're gonna do an unboxing this right here. I'm doing a standard unboxing today because my tripod broke, so I can't do the table one, and it's giving me a lot of trouble. I almost broke my phone like twice. I'm just here breaking technology. But we're gonna unbox this bad boy right here. Live on camera. Let's jump into it. Alright, so we're back. I'm trying to do this in a one take, because I don't think we need to do a whole lot of editing just to unbox something like this. Don't think it's necessary. So, you know me, don't see no pull tabs. I never used one of these before ever in my life, and I used to have an iMac, but I sold it to get the 16-inch MacBook Pro. One thing about me, I don't buy stuff if I don't have the money to. I sell and buy, because to me technology is something it constantly upgrades. So if you're someone like me who wants to keep up with the newer technology, you buy smart and you upgrade as it goes on. For me, I sold my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I bought recently, and I didn't have to pay for this at all. Smart funding. Alright. But now I don't really have anything else to trade in, so I'm stuck in a little bad spot. Anywho, let's crack this bad boy open. And you're gonna stick a thumb in there and just let it go out. Let it go wild. Alright. So easy unboxing. No, get that plastic goodness away. And we got the bad boy right here. So I probably shouldn't do this like this, right? You know me, I drop things a lot. But who cares? No, I'm kidding. I'm being safe with it. Alright. So sorry if you can't hear me, I'm talking low. My house is a little bit jam-packed today, and I am struggling, as you can see. I am struggling, babe. I'm struggling a lot. This is a one take, so you can see it be awkward and stuff. There we go. It's good. It smells. It smells weird. This is it right here. So get a little closer. Alright. I had never held one of these before in my life. This is the first time I'm holding one of these. And honestly, I thought it was a lot smaller for some reason. I thought it was like the size of an Apple TV. I'm wrong. This is definitely not the size of it. But for a computer, this is really small. Like, as much as it goes, this is really small for a computer. Before we get into this, in here you got your paper manuals. Do you get any Apple stickers with these? I personally don't care about Apple stickers, but I know some people do. I personally don't see. Oh wait, nope, there is. There is right here. Nice silver one for you. So you got Apple stickers, manuals, and stuff like that. I'll take a look at that because I never used this before, so I usually don't look at those type of things. But since I never used it, might as well. And of course, we have our cable. All right, so it wasn't a one take. I had to do a quick cut, but let's just open this up. Take out the plastic, and oh bam, that's it right there. I'm getting my fingerprints over it already. This is the new M1 Mac Mini. So it's just a quick unboxing video, nothing crazy, nothing long, really just extremely short. This is the back of it. Your ports on this side, covered by tape. So let's take that off. And so as you can see, includes your, this is going to be to the outlet for power, Ethernet, two Thunderbolt ports. That's nice to have. HDMI, 2 USBs, and the headphone jack. I'm not sure what this is. Probably just a vent for fan. That's it. Pretty simple thing to unbox. Nothing crazy. What I am going to do though, I promise you a review for those other things I never got a review for. There's a reason for that. I'm gonna talk about it one day. But these, I'm definitely gonna review this, as I am extremely curious to see what this is all about. What's up, guys? So it's Kafeli here. So I'm recording this video about a day or so after I unboxed this bad boy right here, the Mac Mini. I just want to do a quick setup and show you where it's at. So right now I have it underneath my monitor. I have a BenQ 4K monitor. Right now it's flickering, so it's pretty. I gotta replace it, but that's something I gotta worry about another day. The Mac Mini is right here, so I can slide that a little bit. My Ethernet port is kind of like tight, so it can't come out too far. But that's it. It's on. Back. I have a external hard drive connected to it, so this is the internal in the casing. I need to get an actual external drive, but this is I believe it's SanDisk 512 gigabytes. So I'm using a Logitech keyboard with it. Love this bad boy. Connect up to 3 different devices. You've seen it before in the Apple unboxing I did. So up to 3 different things. So I have it connected to my MacBook, my iPad, and now the Mac Mini. So that's pretty dope. And I have this magic trackpad with a black skin on it, so I can match up the keyboard because it's space gray. I wasn't paying extra for a space gray. So that's my miniature desk setup right now. It's certainly not the best. I have some. I'm just gonna do just a quick desk tour at the end of this video. Then I have some Bose speakers right there. You can see the other one hiding behind my PlayStation's headphone stuff. Probably do a video on that at some point. But yeah, this is it. So let me see if I can turn it on. It's loading. So this is supposed to be an instant wake, right? It's because this keyboard is not connected. There we go. So it's on. Let me just sign in real quick. Don't want to show you my personal details. Just kidding. There's nothing personal here. All right. So I have it open. I have some sports on. Sorry. This is what. Ooh, okay. So this is what my screen looks like right now. It's pretty empty. All you can see here is I was editing. So I did edit the last video on the channel that was up before this one, so on here, and I will be editing this video on here too, to give you a look on how that editing process was. I will tell you now, it was better than editing on my MacBook 16 Pro, which is also a base model, but either way, still. So this is definitely the most professional way. I don't have anyone helping me out here. This is just all me. But let me just show you one thing. Let me open up Final Cut Pro. Let me show you how quick this thing opens up. I'm using a free trial. So opens up pretty freaking good. I'm just gonna open up a bunch of different apps right now. Like, oops. Now what I'm supposed to do? I'm opening up Affinity Designer. I'm just gonna open up Affinity up. I'm like slacking, and yes, this monitor's flickering right now. So if you see that, that's not the Mac Mini. This is monitor. I gotta get a new one. What should I open up? Let me open up Among Us. Wanna play some chess? I don't know. GarageBand. iMovie. Don't know why we need to open, but why not? I know there's open Safari over here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did not want to add access to my photos. Oh well. Let me just open up a bunch of different sites that I go to. Oh, you see that flickering? I'm sorry. Just opened a bunch of different stuff. Yahoo, IGN, which is a horrible website. Like, I can just open up a bunch of stuff, as you can see, and it will. This is 8 GB RAM. It's gonna do fine. So this is a quick setup showing you where the Mac Mini is, how I'm going. Gonna do a more in-depth setup review or review of the Mac Mini at some point. And I hope you watch. So thanks for tuning in, and peace out. Subscribe, like, and subscribe, y'all.